All right, we are back with a trading recap. I know it's been a while, been a long, long while because, bruh, my microphone. I don't know what happened to my microphone, but it had died on me like what Thursday? I think it was Wednesday. Wednesday, I think Wednesday or Thursday, it died on me. So all my videos were just damaged. It was like no sound on it, no nothing. Couldn't record because I didn't have a microphone. But now, caught the microphone today, so let's get down to our business. Let's see. Bro, I had a trading recap. The trade I did. Okay, yeah, here it is. Okay, I'm gonna explain the trade and everything while I got in on this trade. Okay, so right here, let's go to Barpool replay real quick so I can show you everything. So we had news on Thursday. Thursday right here was the 28th. We had great news. Unemployment claims, everything was good, everything was fine, everything was great, honestly. Great news. My bias on the dollar was bullish, so it was bullish for the dollar, honestly. So, okay, we're bullish on the dollar, so I'm thinking, no, my bias was bearish on the dollar at the time because of this right here. Let me see. Yeah, sneezing crazy. Okay, so my bias was bearish because of at this moment right here, we created this breakaway gap right here, and we wicked into it with the next counter market bet. That's a great wick. Maybe we're going to be bullish, but no, that next candle it did not push higher. So I'm like, okay, bet we're going to be bearish for the next few hours. So went to GU real quick. Went to GU. We had a breakaway gap right here for me on the hourly, which are mainly my setups that I always go for is the hourly PDRA going back into the, and then dropping down to the 5 minute, finding a sweep with a 5 minute sweep or a 1 minute sweep. So as you can see right here, we got our sweep right here. We got our 5 minute ST right there too, which is perfect. So we got our sweep. We respected that sweep right there. Now I am waiting on a fair value gap to form. Fair value gap formed right there. I entered on that right there. Hinko put me in like right there, so I moved my stop up some. I moved my entry up some, and then I waited and I put my stop right here below that low. And I'm normally going for a 1 to 2. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna draw down a little bit. I'm not used to it. Okay, next candle, great wick. Next candle, great. Next candle, great. And at this point right here, in my mind, right, we are up one, and that next candle we were up 1.43. Now I remember this because I'm watching it while I'm at work. Cause I took this trade while I was at work because I have a monitor, a computer, and etc. So I can trade while I'm at work. So everything was great. And at this point, I should have what a good trader would do if they're up this much. I was up this much right here, which was pretty much a lot. And I was up a lot. I should have took half my position off right here, moved my stop to break even right here. And, me being a dummy, I'm like, bro, this trade is going to go to the moon. Like, I'm going to get a huge trade because when I do trade on my like Wednesdays and Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'm not making an excuse for myself, but when I do trade on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and I find that perfect entry in your session, it runs. Like, I don't know if you guys noticed, but like all my previous trades, before I get stopped out, they probably sweep the sweep that low that I'm covering, and after that they run for like a good 150 pips, and that is because, man. And that's not even because of nothing right there. That's just the market acting and just finding liquidity on the higher time frame and then seeking fair value, you know? And at this moment right here, I was up probably a good one. I think. Wait, no, 1 to 2%. Not 1 to 2%, but like I was up probably 1.5% right now, and I should have took a half my position. Normally, I should have just took out when I hit the 1 to 1. Should took a half my position, stop at break even, and then just let the trade run. But no, what I did was I literally watched this trade just sink. It literally just sunk. And at that moment right there, I should have, this is just another trading lesson right there. Another trading lesson, literally right there, that I should have just watched the trade and took out my position, but I didn't. And everybody makes mistakes. I make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. I'm not gonna say the market took me out. No, I took myself out. I should have just 1 to 1 right here, break even trade, risk free at this point. Would have got stopped at a break even, and that's fine. That's fine. I would have had profit up under the table, but I didn't, and I went home with a loss. Now we are 1-1 for the fourth week of March. But that's all right. That's all right. We're gonna come stronger. Hold up. Pause, bro. Pause, bro. Pause, bro. Pause. For the first week of April, it looks really, really, really great. Honestly, in my opinion, Monday I might be trading. Looks really good on news. Tuesdays, I'm going to be trading. Wednesday, I am going to be trading. Oof, FOMC. No trade on Thursday and probably no trade on Wednesday. Going to FOMC the day before, it always consolidates. Like it literally always consolidates. If it's consolidating New York session, then I'm not going to be trading. But if not, the FOMC is later on in the day. It's like at 1 o'clock, no, 12 o'clock and 2 o'clock. So I'm not really worried about that, in my opinion. But mm, unemployment claims. Mm, maybe not trading. NFP right there. Definitely not trading on Friday. I'm good on that. So no trades on Thursday or Friday. I might trade Asia session because soon as FOMC like ends, it's like after that, like an hour after that, it's like a good spike and a good setup always. Like I've seen it, but I've just never put the trigger on trading it. But I might trade it next week just to test it out with a small amount, probably only risking 0.25%, like 0.25%. That's it. But this video was just letting everybody know. Mike, first of all, my mic was down. Second of all, you know, go break even after you hit a 1-to-1. Go break even. Something wrong with going break even on the trade, in my opinion. Just learning from that, and then you wouldn't have a bigger loss. Luckily I'm using a right risk amount and everything like that. So that's about it. But going until next week, let's see. Going until next week, what I would like to see is wow. This is all back tested. Let me just remove all these. Going to next week, GU time. We're on a weekly. We have created a beautiful high probability fair value gap right here that we can really go lower off of. And also on the monthly, bro, I don't know, man. We have been having trouble trying to trade back into this monthly PDRA for the longest. Daily scuffy right now with this daily fair value gap right here. Really not looking forward to that. Looking for that weekly to trade into. I know it's gonna trade into that weekly, and I might get it might show a good spike down. So I might trade into this and hit that daily and the weekly, and then go down and sweep these lows, which I would like to see, honestly, in my opinion. But whatever the market gives me, I'm just gonna play off that and call it a day, honestly, man. Let's see. Yep, but that's about it, honestly, for GU, UJ. Creating a nice high probability. High probability. Fair value PDA right here to continue higher to sweep out all highs, and we are already. Let me make sure I'm not tripping. Yeah, we had already swept out, swept all time highs on UJ so far. Like literally, we swept those highs, and wait, have we? Let's see. Oh yeah, we swept them. We swept them. We swept those highs and we respected it and made a huge downwards candle to the 4 hour daily. Right now, we are creating nothing, still scuffy a little bit. But weekly, we are creating a fair value gap to continue higher off of. And it's an order block right here. It's the push. Yeah, this is going to be nice, honestly. High probability that this order block and this fair value gap right here gets respected. Like, honestly, that's what I'm going to be looking for, going longs off this right here for that to get respected. The dollar looks, yep. Yeah, this is going to be the dollar for the first week might continue to downside and then trade it back into this weekly, and then sweep that high right there and then continue to go higher. What I would like to see is sweeping that high. After sweeping that high, just come down, come back in, trade back up at this skyrocket. Highly unlikely, but that's what I like to see on the dollar. Let's go over the coins. Dogecoin. My main coin I've been putting money into right now, and also nobody's really talking about it, which is crazy in my opinion. But let's go over it. I saw something I liked right here. This is the time to buy. Like, this is literally the time to buy. Put 124. However much money you're gonna put it in right now. Every single time I see Dogecoin create something go lower, I'm buying. Like, it makes a move just like this to continue to the downside. I'm buying it because it's gonna go higher, bro. It's gonna go higher, and that's my opinion. Right now, the return on the investment is you get up to 223% of your money. So I'm buying right now, and right now we have an hourly. Oof. Hourly time frame, hourly PDA right there that can push price higher. Let's see if it's push price higher in a 1 minute. Treat this much just like a forex pair, in my opinion. Don't really care about anything else. Super there, one for got one. They're respecting